Alright guys, I have another YouTube video for you guys. ArmorAll Ultra Shine wheel cleaning wipes. One step fast cleaning, wipe your wheels clean, remove tough brake dust and soil. Back here, road grime and brake dust are no match for the ArmorAll Ultra Shine wheel cleaning wipes. Removes brake dust and road soils, no bucket or hose needed, safe for factory wheels when used as directed. But their directions are pretty simple. It just says to remove the wipe and reseal the package firmly so it doesn't dry out. Wipe the wheel surface clean and then discard the wipe. So I don't really see how you can mess up the instructions. By judging this, it's going to come in one pouch, kind of like baby wipes. I did review the wash wipes, the blue wipes that you use for the exterior of your car. And I did use the tire shine sponges, and those actually were individually wrapped. And I liked that the tire sponges were individually wrapped. As you can see, these tires do need to be cleaned. They're starting to brown. These wheels are pretty dusty, dirty. I did run my finger across it before making this video, but you can see, and it does kind of wipe off with the finger, so I'm hoping these wipes do a decent job. Alright, so you probably should wear gloves because these can probably dry your hands out. They're not super soaked with the cleaner, but let's give it a shot here. They work pretty good. I don't really know, I mean, my finger can get it up, so it's not really saying much, but these are definitely doing better than my finger can. Wonder how well it will do the tire. Well, you don't really want to clean the tire before you're done with the rim, I guess, but I will say they're working. I don't really know how well they'll do on heavily coated wheels with really heavy brake dust, but these are working. And I don't know, I just now picked up, recently I picked up a wheel cleaning brush, and I actually really liked it. It made it so much easier. All I had to do was spray the cleaner on, go over it with the brush, and then rinse, and it was pretty much done. These are working pretty well, working better than I thought they would. I don't really know if this can cause scratching on the rims, but if you already have some curb rash, I guess you wouldn't be too concerned. Something I am noticing is this rag is probably pretty much done for, even though I cleaned one wheel, because I can see that it keeps smearing some of the dirt back onto the rim. But it's kind of nice that you don't have to rinse it. You just go over it one time with your hand and it's done. Do have some curb rash right there. Anyway, I didn't go over this wheel extremely thoroughly. Let's see if I can record left-handed. Oh, that was shiny at one point. I did not notice that. That's kind of crappy. I don't like that. Saturn for you, I guess. Alright, well, I mean, it's not like showroom quality clean, but definitely did get the job done. Here's a close-up. I mean, it is clean. I can show you the other wheel. This is what they looked like before. Remember, I did wipe my finger here already, so it did work. And I don't remember how much these were. They were $5 to $10, I think. I think $5. I think something like that. But you know, for convenience, I guess they're good, especially if you go, like if you don't have access to a water hose, like you live in an apartment or something, and you go to those coin car washes, those self-serve car washes, and you want to get your wheels clean, you can take those with you. But anyway, I hope this video helped you guys out, and peace.